Mind the gap. Come on, thing. Careful, please be careful, Beth. We do not need you falling off the edge. It's Iceberg Lake down there. Well, come over here and look. Can you see the curvature? Oh, there's a big lake back there. Somebody has Verizon. Alright, after resting back at Trail Crest, we're on the move again to Outpost Camp. And we're going uphill right now, steep, for the old Trail Crest. And then right after that, the 99 switchbacks. Should be at the top of that right there. Man, that's gorgeous. Come on, Beth.
Wow.
This is the first of the 99 switchbacks. And if I remember correctly, first like 2 or 3 are kind of long switchbacks. On our way to Outpost Camp. The color of that lake is just astounding. It's very beautiful. And it seems like they need to do some maintenance on the JMT. Well, I guess technically this isn't the JMT, but it's an extremely popular trail. And it's got like rock slides on it and stuff, and definitely needs some repair and maintenance. It's ridiculous. Ridiculous. They definitely should be taking care of that crap. See, this is exactly what I'm talking about. This is clearly a rock slide. Got rocks right in the trail. This one isn't as bad as the last couple. You can actually still get through, but you ought to remove a couple rocks here, you know. And this has got a hole in the trail right there too. What is that? Oh, that's a rock, I guess. Yeah, it's they have not been doing what they should be, I think. Ah! Jeez, that was a long drop. One wrong slip and you're sliding your way down. This is stupid. Stupid dangerous. Ow. Careful. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, shoot. Look, there's just more like rock slide stuff here. Wow. Might as well show you a little 99 switchback footage, but it's not the most interesting. I mean, you get to see the lakes and stuff. Consultation Lake. Up higher you can see Lone Pine Lake and Outpost Camp. That's Trail Camp, which is just crap. And I think these are unnamed. But we're getting down there. We're almost there. We're almost there. Amazingly enough, there's still snow here. It's late July. Wow. Whoop, that's slippery. Look, Beth, snow.
What?
Snow.
Oh.
I'm surprised. That's good shade. Oh, come on. Give me. Let's grab my pole. Hi. See, Beth? I've been on this when there was ice on it, which wasn't fun. And some of this definitely looks like it's been hit by like rock slides or something because it's all bent when it shouldn't be bent. Jeez. Yeah. This is probably all snow melt. I bet it's cold. Yeah, it's cold. It's definitely cold. Stick your hand in there. No. Oh, there goes a spider. Down, down, down we go. 2,000 feet to Outpost Camp. With lots and lots of steps. You okay? Jeez. That could have been a lot worse.
Yeah.
Jeez. Did you hit your head?
No.
Okay. Alright. Sheesh, that's how you get a knee back.
Sled. You ready, or you want to
Yeah,
rest
I'm
this one? Okay, don't push yourself. Just take a rest.
Thanks, guys.
Yep, have a good one.
Be safe.
Thanks.
Cheers, guys.
Have a good one.
Thanks.
Have fun on the way down.
Yeah. So what happened was, well, I didn't exactly see the moment it happened because I happened to look down, trying to get down steps, but she slipped and almost went off the edge of the embankment, which probably would have been a trip ender right there. That's how you get medevaced. But thankfully she was unhurt and was able to continue on. But gosh, that is not good. That tent behind the rocks there. We just I went to, well, he had his sleeping bag on top of his tent, and I, you know, called out to him, trying to keep cool, huh? But apparently he was in distress and he's been stuck there for like 3 days. And he had just hit his SOS button like an hour ago, and he's been out of food. He was a PCT hiker, and so we gave him food and water, prayed for him. So hopefully we'll be sending somebody shortly to help him. How you guys doing?
Okay, how are you?
Doing okay.
Yeah.
Tough climb, huh?
Huh?
Tough climb, huh?
Yes. Because going back?
Yeah, we're leaving.
Okay.
You guys summit today?
Yeah.
Awesome. Great. How was it?
That was great. Challenging.
Yes.
Well, you guys packed.
Alrighty. Happy trails to you. Thanks. So we aren't entirely convinced with that guy's story. There's a lot of holes in it. A lot of things that don't make sense, but you know, we did the right thing anyway. Even if he is lying, so hopefully he gets the help he needs. Wish this trail would get the help it needs. This trail sucks. And there is Mirror Lake. Ah. She's just reached a John point where she just hates the steps, and she was like, will the steps ever end? Yeah, I know that feeling. If any of you have seen my previous Whitney videos, you know I'm pretty adamant about how annoying all these steps are. Indeed, indeed.